We're going to be upcycling tins and turning them into some beautiful home decor pieces that you can use to decorate your shelf or your dining table. Or better yet, you can use it as part of an events business. The first thing that you'll need to do is spray paint the tins, but make sure that you remove any excess glue that may still be left after you've removed the label on the tin. Make sure you're careful when you're working with the tins. Unfortunately, I wasn't too careful and it ended up cutting part of my pinky. But the show must go on, so I went back to spray painting. Make sure that while you're spray painting, you've got protective gear on, such as a face mask. I use a hazmat one. Since I was painting on the grass, I wasn't too sure if the bottom part had spray painted well because the grass is uneven. So what I did was that I took off the tins and I took off the plastic and I put a flat board just on top of the grass but below the plastic so that the tins would lie flat on top of the board so that I could make sure that I've spray painted everything at the bottom of the tins. You're gonna need an A4 decorative foam sheet. I got one that has a glittery type of texture, and this is what we're gonna be using to decorate the spray painted tins. Using a glue gun to glue the strips that we're gonna cut from the foam sheet onto the tins. Cut strips that are 1 centimeter thick and set them aside. You're going to stick the strips at the top of the tin in an oblique manner at an angle. You're going to do this with all the strips but sticking them parallel to each other. Once you've come full circle, you're then going to stick another set of strips in the opposite direction but at the same angle. Make sure to glue down all of the strips onto the tin. Thereafter, you're going to cut off the ends at the top of the tin as well as the bottom of the tin so it looks neat. Thank you for watching. If you do like the video, do hit the like button, do join the family and subscribe, and hit that bell to get notifications of every time I upload videos. See you soon! Do subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay up to date. See you soon!